How to edit products on Shopify. So go log in your Shopify account in your browser. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the products seen on the left panel of your screen. Here you can see the list of all the products in your store. Now to edit the product, click on the name of that certain product. This should bring you to the edit product page. Here you can change everything from the product name, description, product price, and other things as well. After editing this to your liking, just click save on the very bottom of the page. This will refresh the edit page, so afterwards just click back on the top left. There's also an option to edit multiple products all at the same time. To do this, check the boxes of all the products that you want to edit. Then on the little menu bar, click Bulk Edit. This will bring you to a table layout of the product status, category, vendor, and price which you can edit. Once you're done editing, just click Save on the top right, and that is how to edit products on Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.